I am going to share with you the 5 things you must do to get your lawn care season started off right. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. As always, hope you guys are cutting on. I'm going to share with you the 5 things you must do right now to get your business ready for the upcoming cut season. But first, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I am a lawn tech pro who's trying to take his business from 400,000 almost last year to $500,000 this year. And I'm going to share with you my ups and downs and what I'm doing to keep my company cutting on. Let's get into it, fam. Starting with number 5. You need to know your best selling point. What is your best selling point? Is it how you cut the grass? Is it immaculate? Or is it your price point? That your price is so good that no way they should refuse your services? Or is it like me? My selling point is really simple. I am dependable and I'm reliable. To the point, that's what I tell people all the time. You can count on me to get there on time, to schedule you on time. A lot of times, lawn care companies overlook dependability and reliability when they going out selling their work. So make sure you know what's your best selling point and give that to the client when you talk to them. Let them know that this is what I do really well and they may want you to cut on. Number 4. You need to know your floor services. Now, it's nothing like understanding that you want to do cleanups early in the year. Let them know, hey, this is the time I do my cleanups. This is the time I tend to put down my mulch, my pine straw. You don't want to be doing these services late in the year because when that heat comes, you really want to just be maintaining those yards. A lot of times people will find urgency in the middle of the summer because their grass is growing wild, and what you want to do is not worry about those people. Keep your clientele happy. But if you do take on someone who is late coming to the party, make sure you raise those prices just like a hotel does. During the holidays, those prices going up. During the summer months, go ahead, turn those prices up because at the end of the day, you can't cut all this grass by yourself. Number 3, you need to know your target customer. You need to know whether or not are you in Florida and most of your people around you are retired. If so, they're on a limited budget. Maybe that's not the area you want to be in if you're just getting started. Is the houses $500,000 properties? Are they $300,000 properties? I'm gonna tell you this, simple because a property is $500,000 doesn't mean that you're gonna get more money because you're coming out there to service a $500,000 property. What you wanna find out is a happy medium. I find out that people are hardworking who going out and servicing somewhere else don't wanna come home and cutting grass. So I look between someone's property ranging from 150,000 to maybe 350,000. Once you go beyond 300, 400, $500,000, I find out they want you to do more add-ons, more things. Basically, they want a personal gardener, and I'm not that guy. I'm trying to find someone who's trying to get me to come in, do a quick service, so I can go ahead and take care of them, and I can add other people onto my list. Having a $500,000 property with a whole bunch of hedges around it that looks really, really good, great for photos, but then at the end of the day, they're not trying to pay you what you think your time is worth. So find your customer base, focus on that base, and supply their needs. Number 2, what is your maximum square feet? Now, I know a lot of times we go out and we'll push mow certain properties, but you cannot push mow an acre. So you need to know what's your maximum square feet, because if you know that, then you can find subdivisions that meet that criteria by going to, I'm dropping a secret, here's a nugget, go to Zillow. You can put in properties, you can put in the square feet or what you're looking for, and guess what? It'll come up. This way you can target your customer base faster and quicker if you already know what's your max. You don't want to be out there on an acre lot with a 36 stand-on mower. You'll be out there all day and you won't earn a profit. Number one, you need to know your minimum cut price. What is it? Is it $30? Is it $45? Is it $50? Whatever it is, stick to your guns and make that your bottom line. Now, I know a lot of times you're just getting into lawn care. Yes, you can be a little flexible, but for the ones who've been in it 1 or 2 years, let your clientele know, hey, I know we was here this year, but I done bumped my bottom line up from $40 to $45. Now, as for me, I went from 40 to $45.95 this year. That's my bottom dollar per cut. I don't want anything less than that. I don't care how small it is. I don't care if all I need to do is weed eat it. That's what it's gonna cost me. Stick to your guns and guarantee if you have these 5 things starting this season, you will start your season off right. As always, I hope you learned something. I hope I gave you a nugget because I can't cut all this grass by myself. So cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.